Hi folks, welcome to Guaranty RV. My name is Dib, and today we're going to show you this beautiful Cardinal. It's the 2018 392 model. There's a lot to talk about this coach here. It's pretty impressive. Here we go. We start with your big awning right there, right off the bat. You got the outside speakers, of course. These are waterproof, for you can hang out here. Big, huge basement. Magnets up here. Look at that. That is huge. So you can see all the aluminum frame and all that good stuff in here. Really finished, nice finished basement. So good to go. Let's go inside. And as we walk in, if you may, you have to notice these steps right here. These are sturdy, strong. I love them. With a big handle. Come on in. As you can see, this coach is very much, like home feel to it. Lots of counter space from here. Look at this. This is a nice closet. Okay. Cargo management is pretty nice here. Look at that. Something you can reach. TV will be mounted up here. And as you can see, residential fridge. Look at that. Pretty nice. Big, huge freezer. Pretty cool. Okay. Your microwave. And this new range. This a new style of range now they've been using. Very impressive. You can put bigger pots and pans in there. Okay. With some counter space. This is your pantry, folks. It's a big deal. So you have all the storage you need in here. It's pretty nice. And then when we go up here to go to the living room, it's a couple steps, and that's the genius idea, because that's when you have all the storage underneath. Okay, so you got your your love seat right there, big screen, flat TV here. Fireplace. It gives you an ambiance up here, but an actual heat will come up here from, it's electric also. So you can see your vents. It's carpeted. Some people do like, some people don't, but this gives it a really nice feel. You have two recliners up here. Very comfortable, theater seating in a way. And you have the flat screen TV up here to watch. Lots of windows, if you notice, around you also. Let's go see the bedroom. In our way to the bedroom, of course, you got your dinette right here. Really nice touch up here. I like that. This is pretty cool. Let's go up here and show you the bedroom. And talk about counter space, folks. Look at that. Really nice. You would say that's a huge closet. So, so come on in. And let's see if we can open this puppy. And what is the latch? Open right here. That's your extra chairs up here. Washer and dryer hookup. And if you're not in use of that, you can use it as a closet also. LED lights, So that closes up. You can latch it back. And here we go. Look at this ambiance. Look at this. This light colors really brings out all the fanciness, I guess you might say, about this coach. LED lights throughout, and of course your AC is up here. We can also mount a TV for you if you're a TV watcher. Depends, right there. And we walk this way. Let me show you the bathroom real quick here. Lots of cabinets in it. It's an enclosed shower, which is no curtain, keeps it clean and dry. It's a nice feature with a big, cabinet up there. Let's go outside and show you a little bit more. Right off the bat, you can see the slide, this big slide. Then the other slide that was in the living room. This is what I was talking about when you step up there in the living room. This is, look at that, finished, another basement. People love this feature, folks. Really nice. And more. There's one more here. Look at that. And still, one more, folks. Just in case. All right? Pretty nice. Okay, as we walk around, you have your spare tire up in the back here, where you don't have to go underneath and, look around, what have you. Ladder, that means you can go up there, check on your roof. see what's going on, just in case. Again, another slide. That was in the living room, folks. Auto leveling. So this coach has an auto leveling, push button auto leveling, and you're good to go. Push a button, all right? So as we walk around, here's the other side of our basement. And of course, finished again. Look, this is your hub right there. That's your station, you know, outside shower, hot and cold. Everything is in one spot to help you out. Again, this is the auto leveling system. You know, push a button and you're good to go. Again, as I mentioned, there's a lot to talk about this coach. Please give me a call on my cell, 541-515-1237. Thank you.